this video, I'll show you how to update Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Windows device. Now on your Windows device, head over into the Start menu icon and search for Device Manager. So the Device Manager is where you can find all of your devices, drivers that you can update with a simple click. So simply click on Device Manager. Now this will pop up on your screen. So in here, go ahead and scroll down and look for the Bluetooth section. Once you found the Bluetooth section, click on that and then select the specific Bluetooth driver that you want to update and click on this update button above the list of drivers. And once you hit on that, your Bluetooth driver will be updated immediately. That's basically how you can update Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.